Your company has a set design and you have to painstakingly recreate it every time? Then Sparx has the perfect solution for you. With the Sparx variants, you can easily create an individual chart layout and export this as well or import others. First, create your Sparx chart and edit a variant. When you don't know how to create and save a Sparx variant, please watch our previous videos. As you can see, we created our individual variant and named it IBCS with the description Test for Video. To show it, we create a simple chart. As you can see, the variant is displayed automatically. Now click on the Variants icon and choose Export Variants. Select the storage location and click OK. Now you exported all variants you have created in your file. We changed the hardware to demonstrate how you can import these variants. We are creating a simple Sparx chart to show that we just have the default Sparx variants in our file. As you can see, no additional variant is displayed. Now click on the variant icon and choose Import Variants. Select the variant file you want to import and click OK. Now you have imported all the variants that were saved in this file. Create a Sparx chart. As you can see, the imported variants are automatically displayed in the bar and are ready for use. Now you have seen how to export and import your individual variants in Sparx.